You kind of dog food.
Come here, Harvey. Harv. Come here, boy.
What is happening now?
He's recording
My
something.
boy isn't bad. He doesn't like that dog food. He likes this kind better. Harvey, come on.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Come
yes,
on, boy.
yes.
That's very
Harvey.
nutritious. Eat it. Oh, boy, he likes it. I feed his vet. It's very nutritious and has all kinds of vitamins. Feed your dog vet. If you want his coat to shine like my dog here, feed this. This is the vet.